Besties, and welcome back to
Correct.
Desi, and we are so excited we won't waste time. Introduce.
So we are reacting to Swim teaser 1, teaser 2, and then the official MV, which just dropped 27 minutes ago while we were shooting. I don't know when we are going to put on this video. So, okay, we are very excited.
Teaser 1.
Okay. Ship.
Why are you merging Ben 10 with BTS?
That was it? Okay.
Oh, I
And
remember.
who was the girl?
Yeah.
Who was the girl? Who was the lucky girl? This one is a little bigger, 27 seconds. So this time it's a real ship. Oh, the 7 guys.
The sailors.
Amazing.
You know, these people are so intelligent that they are just giving us glimpse of them.
Yeah. Okay. Official MV. I want to know who is this girly? Who is this lucky girly? Oh, so this was the first shot. I've seen her.
I really like the idea of the old vintage ship.
Swim, swim, water falling off your skin. Swim, swim, I could spend a lifetime watching you.
We can.
Swim, this is how it all begins. Swim, swim, I just wanna dive, I just wanna dive. Map world, gone away, I still wake up in this map world. Name me place that I can breathe on this map world. Looking like a goody in this bad world, bad world. Don't know how to act, girl. I'm in the deep, tell me where the hell you at, girl.
She's the actress. Oh, there's this show called Riverdale. She was Betty in it. If I'm not wrong.
No.
Yes.
You know that I'm never holding back.
Oh, I
So easy to make it so
Yes. Yes.
I just wanna get lost right here with the moon and the stars. I ain't gotta think about a thing, baby. I just swim, swim.
so it's like when they were away, they were, you know, in a world.
Spend a lifetime watching you swim, swim. This is how it all begins. Swim, swim.
Is this in relation to the anime trailer they had where it was the story of the 7 guys who went to Harvard, not Harvard, and they crossed the sea and they reached America.
Oh, yes.
So is it related to like kind of that story, or this is like a whole new different concept?
I just wanna dive.
Girl, you're so lucky. 7
Yes.
guys and you alone.
Take it off the ground, I ain't never getting cold feet. Yeah, you know me, yeah, you know me. Sitting on the shore, now I'm ready for the whole scene. I can feel the
Actually, I follow her on Instagram, but I can't remember her name right now.
sound on my tongue, she's stunning.
Yes, she's stunning.
Instead, I wanna be. Yeah, swim, swim. Water falling off your skin.
Oh,
Swim,
sorry.
swim. I could spend a lifetime watching you swim, swim, swim. This is how it all begins. Swim, swim. I just wanna dive, I just wanna dive. Splash, splash, river. Make waves with my 2 friends. Splash, river.
She's stuck.
Just wanna take it across the line. I'm not here with a chance
And-
to time. Baby, everything can be so sad.
She wants to run away, but I think she's you were right.
Maybe she wants to.
Swim,
Oh,
water falling off your skin. Swim,
girl, is this your idea of being free?
I could spend a lifetime watching you swim.
She's looking similar to Titanic's Rose.
Yeah.
And
I just wanna dive, I just wanna dive.
You know, she looks like a mixture of Titanic's Rose and Keira Knightley.
and the concept is also like similar. They are on a ship and she's standing on the edge and she just removed her necklace.
Maybe she wants to be free and she
Yes.
wants to dive in. Arirang, the boat's name. That was the compass, not the necklace. Are you free finally? At least you are smiling now.
Oh, she's back from that. And then now she's,
Yeah, Lily Reinhardt.
yes, I was right about the girlie. The main focus is my boys.
I think I have to re-watch it again for the concept.
She's back again and now she's watching the ship, like, after that.
Oh, I mean the miniature ship on which she
in
was.
the museums, like they have
Yes.
models of all the
Yes.
ships. And she was remembering the time when she was there, when she was feeling stuck and all of that.
Can I rewatch it?
Rewatch it now.
This time only for the lyrics. Focus. Focus.
Oh,
Focus.
I am. Yeah, she had the same thing. She was, I think,
With the compass in her hand.
she was feeling that.
Swim, water falling off your skin. Swim, swim. I could spend a lifetime watching you swim.
It's groovy.
Yes.
This is how it all begins. Swim, swim. I just wanna dive, I just wanna dive. Map world, gone away. I still wake up in this map world. Name me place that I can breathe on this map world. Looking like a goody in this bad world. Bad world, don't know how to act, girl. I'm in the deep, tell me where the hell you at, girl. Oh, you ain't even gotta love me back, girl. You know that I'm never holding back, girl. Yeah. So
I feel like flowing.
Nights like these, I just wanna get lost. Right here with the moon and the stars. I ain't gotta think, but I think, baby, I just swim, swim. Water falling off your skin. Swim, swim. I could spend a lifetime watching you swim, swim. This is how it all begins. Swim, swim. I just wanna dive, I just wanna dive. Water so deep, take it off the ground. I ain't never getting cold feet. Yeah, you know me, yeah, you know me. Sitting on the shore now.
My guys are working hard.
I can feel the high waves coming. While you run away, you can run it. Salt on my tongue, she's stunning. You're the only place that I wanna be.
This is where it all starts. Before this, she was happy.
Swim, swim. Water falling off your skin. Swim, swim. I could spend a
She can't see these guys, you know. She's all alone on this ship in her parallel universe.
I just wanna dive, I just wanna dive. Splash, splash, rip. Make waves with my two friends.
I love this part.
I wanna take it across the
The guys are looking hot for sure. You know, doing all the work.
so sad. Through my face from the west. I just wanna dive, I just wanna dive. Swim, swim. Water falling off your
I think she's looking for land.
swim, swim. I could spend a lifetime watching you swim.
Yeah, boys. Same. We could spend a lifetime watching you guys.
They're looking so
I just wanna dive. I just wanna
Men,
dive.
photo shoot
not
worthy.
boys. So are they going to perform this song live now, tomorrow,
On the stage in front of the king's palace.
live?
Oh my god, the stage was awesome.
Yes, we saw some clips, and it's
It's humongous, first of all. Of course, it's BTS, so it has to be humongous. And for humongous, I remember Humongosaur.
it's nice.
I felt like it was very cool and new concept. Had the vintage vibes as well when RM was doing his rap. So also, on the map. So everything was vintage and giving that vibe. The ship, they restored the ship like quite well. With all the wheels. So new ships and cruises, you can't see those.
For the miniature or what?
for the whole new one.
So
like-
this is obviously what do you say? A set. It's not a
I
real
know,
ship.
but I am saying that
You
only.
mean the details of the props and everything?
Yes, and
Yeah.
I mean, see the jackets, see the
Oh
coats.
yes, like
What style is that? Like
pirate. It's pirates. They
I
were,
felt it was something else also, like Mandarin jackets also. Those people used to have the.
but these jackets used to be specifically related to the pirates and people who used to go to the seas, the captains, and
Oh, yes,
all
yes.
those people.
I remember, I think one of the portraits, Napoleon used to wear something of this kind.
I mean, it was a fashion in a certain era. Yeah.
So they depicted the era only. I feel your guess was right about. I feel like, guys, do let us know about, is this related
yes,
to Harvard?
we are just deducing. The deductions can be wrong.
We are not Sherlock Holmes.
Yes.
All right, guys.
And we are very
kimchis.
excited for their live, which we are going to watch.
And the documentary on 27th March.
Yes. So, guys,
See you, kimchis.
bye.
Bye.